いらっしゃいませ. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Reiko. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook delicious matcha pancakes. I've got a special guest for you, Mini Me. My lovable daughter, Katy. You can call her Cat. She's a great baker, so she's going to help me today. So, can you explain about the matcha pancakes?
Yeah, so today we're going to be making matcha green tea pancakes. So we're using matcha powder, which is a form of Japanese green tea, which has been used in Japanese tea ceremonies for hundreds of years. It's become more popular in the UK in recent years because it's full of antioxidants, so it's got a lot of health benefits. And we're going to be serving that with just some really simple whipped cream and also some raspberry coulis that we made earlier.
Good. So, what's the ingredients, Katy?
Yeah, so it's a really simple pancake batter. The only two additions are the matcha powder and then also some sweet ingredients. So we've got some maple syrup and also vanilla extract, and that's only because the matcha powder is a little bit bitter on its own. We've got some plain flour, salt, matcha powder, sweet ingredients, eggs, and also some unsweetened almond milk.
All right. So, why do you want to use the almond milk instead of the normal milk?
Yeah, so this can actually be swapped out for any other milk alternative. I do it out of preference. I just don't have that much dairy.
Okay, so shall we start then? So, what should I do?
So it's a really simple pancake batter. We'll start off with the dry ingredients. So if you want to sift the plain flour with a pinch of salt and then also the matcha powder into this bowl. And the matcha powder.
Okay.
Perfect. And then we'll move on to the wet ingredients. So we'll add our maple syrup and the vanilla extract to the almond milk. And then we'll also mix it in with 2 cracked eggs. Oops. And then once it's all mixed, we will be whisking that into the dry ingredients.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to mix it now, right?
Yeah.
So why don't I pour it while you mix it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
So we'll make a well in the center of the flour.
Yeah.
And then...
Shall I start?
Yeah.
Looks good.
And you want to mix it until you've got a nice, smooth batter. Perfect. That looks fine.
Right, so this is a non-stick pan with a medium heat. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. And then I've just got some vegetable oil on this, but you can use butter or coconut oil, anything you want really. And if you just put the batter into the middle of the pan, and then swirl it around so it goes to the edges. And you'll know when it's time to flip it because it starts peeling away from the sides of the pan. There we go. So we'll just leave it like that for a couple of minutes.
Looks good.
Overdone
so, flipping now. Flip. Looks good. Right, so pancakes done now. So what are the toppings, Katy?
Yeah. So we've got some raspberry coulis, which is just made with some fresh raspberries heated in a small saucepan with some icing sugar.
Looks yummy.
We've also got some whipped double cream, which I added 2 tablespoons of sugar and also a teaspoon of vanilla extract just to make it a bit sweeter. We've also got some fresh cut fruit, so fresh strawberries, some blueberries, mint, toasted flaked almonds and pumpkin seeds, and then also just some icing sugar to finish it off.
Okay, let's start, shall we?
Yeah, sounds good. You want to grab the pancakes?
Yeah, okay.
So we'll start with the whipped cream. We'll just cut the top of the piping bag off.
Ooh.
And then you just want to make sure it's really tight and go roughly in the middle.
Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious me. She's a pro.
And then we'll put some fresh strawberries on top. This doesn't have to be that perfect because it will be in the inside of the pancake.
Oh,
so
okay. It's going to be
no one's going to see it. Yeah, we're going to fold it over after.
Oh, wow.
We will fold it over like so. And I might just put a bit more cream.
Bit more cream.
You can pretty much pipe any decoration. You can make it as fancy or as simple as you want. Put a few fresh blueberries on it.
Look
like
at that.
So. A little bit of raspberry coulis.
Wow.
We'll toss on a few of the flakes. So you can be quite generous. There really isn't...
That's the flaky almond.
Yeah, this is flaked almonds and some pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seed.
More whole fresh strawberries.
Wow.
Like so. A few mint leaves because we're feeling a little bit fancy. And mint
I'm starting to sweat.
Mint is delicious with whipped cream and also strawberries. And then let's finish it off with a little bit of icing sugar.
Beauty.
There you go. And there we have it. Green tea matcha pancakes with
Wow.
whipped cream and a raspberry coulis.
My daughter! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed me and Mini Me's matcha pancake. And we are releasing a new recipe every Friday, so please don't forget to subscribe and tune in.